Nextdoor Address Validation Error? Read-only mode? Suspension appeal?
Don't worry, we have a solution. Welcome to Bulk PVA Shop. Let me show you what you need to get your Nextdoor account back. Now, let me show you a real verification issue on my laptop screen. As you can see, this account needs to be verified, but when I try to verify it, Nextdoor rejects the verification because of an address validation issue. As you can see, here's the error message that's preventing the verification from going through. But here's where the real problem begins. Without verifying your account, you can't take any meaningful action. You can't comment, you can't like posts, and most importantly, you can't create your own posts. And that's really frustrating, especially when you urgently need your Nextdoor account for your business. First, let's understand why this happens. Nextdoor is a strictly address-based platform, and in 2026, its security system is more advanced than ever. It pays close attention to where you're logging in from. To maintain account stability and avoid triggering automated security checks, you must use a reliable VPN or proxy that matches the account's precise location. If you're still experiencing issues, you may need to purchase a verified Nextdoor account from a trusted online source. But let's be honest, finding a reliable source for verified Nextdoor accounts is way harder than it looks. Most sellers give you generic accounts with zero location control, no replacement policy, and customer support that vanishes the second you press pay. A great supplier comes down to 4 critical pillars: account quality, geo-targeting capability, a clear warranty, and fast response time. And that is exactly where Bulk PVA Shop comes in. Bulk PVA Shop is the premier destination to buy verified Nextdoor accounts because they are the only supplier that delivers on all 4. Every single account is fully address verified before dispatch. Even better, your order can be geo-targeted to your exact specified zip code or neighborhood, which is exactly how Nextdoor is meant to be used. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Bulk PVA Shop channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our expert tips. See you in the next video.